Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss disjoint sets. And in the previous classes we have discussed union of a set, intersection of a set. Okay. So in this class we will discuss disjoint of a set. Clear? So what is disjoint of a set? If A and B two sets and such that A intersection B is equals to 5. 5 means we know empty set or you can say void set, and then A and B are called disjoint set. Means if we are performing intersection on two sets, then if we get the result 5 means empty set for these two sets, then these two sets are said to be disjoint set. This is the special properties of intersection of two sets. So means if I take A is a element, suppose 1, 2, 3, and B is another element, that is 4, 5, 6. Normal trivial example. Then if I perform A intersection B, then means intersection B means what? We have to take the common element of A and B. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 is there. So is 1, 2, 3 is common here. 3 no, 4 2 is not there, 1 is not there, means no common element is present. So means in that case we will get the empty set, means we can symbolize it 5. Okay, so and in that case we can say A and B are said to be disjoint set. Okay, so means if we find intersection of two set is 5 means empty, then these particular sets are called disjoint set. In Venn diagram, suppose this is A and this is B's set and this is universal set, then means they have no common element, means there is no common portion. There is no common portion. That is, this is the Venn diagram presentation of disjoint sets. Now we'll solve some sums based on this disjoint sets concept. So question number 8, NCERT example. This is NCERT example 1.4 we are discussing here. So question number 8. So number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and x such that x is a natural number and 4 less than equal to x less equal to 6. So first, this is in the A is given in roster form. There is no problem. But for B, we have to list down the element. So 4 less equal to equal sign is there, means 4 will be included. Then 5. Then 6 also greater less equals to sign is there. So 6 will be included. Now 4 is a common element here. Means A intersection B is 4. Element 4, but you have to check which pair of set is disjoint. So this is not disjoint. Okay, so A and B are not disjoint sets. Okay, next number 2, A E I O U one set and C D E F one set. Suppose A is A comma E comma I comma O comma U, and suppose another set B is C comma D comma E comma F, then A intersection B. So see, E is vowel, means set of A is set of vowels, all vowels. So E is present here, E is present here, means E is the one element. Means in that case also A and B are not disjoint set. Next 3, x is an even integer. Okay, and here it is not a negative or positive integer, only even integer, and x an odd integer. Okay, here odd integer, even integer, and here odd integer, means no common element is there, means in that case this pair will be disjoint set. Okay, this pair will be disjoint set. So number 3, A and B are disjoint sets. Since A intersection B equals to 5. I hope you understand these 3 sums. Next we'll move to question number 12. Why we are skip these sums? Because 9, 10, 11 is based on difference of set, that we'll discuss in the next video, and question number 12 is based on disjoint set. That's why we are discussing this question here. So state whether each of the following is true. Justify your answer. So see, all the sums is based on disjoint sets. That's why we are discussing this sum first. This question number first. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. See, 3 and 3 is common here, but here it is written they are disjoint. So that is false. Okay. Next, number 3. Reason as A intersection B equals to 3. If you consider this A and B, then you can write A intersection B contain element 3. Next, A, E, I, O, U. So you can consider A equals to A, E, I, O and U, and B equals to A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, T. So A is there present. A is present here. Yes. So means A intersection B equals to element A. That means this is they are disjoint set, but not they are not disjoint because this is non-empty set. So this is false statement here. Next, number 3. Number 3, 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 14 are disjoint set. So 10, 14. So 2, 6 not there, 10, 14 not there. So means these are obviously they are disjoint shape pair of set. So this is true statement. Next, 4, 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 10 not there. So means no common element present between them. So means this is also true statement here. So first number false, this is false, this is false, and this is true, and this is true, and reason is described here, explained here. So thank you for watching this video. So I hope you understand all these concept based on disjoint set. If there is any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Tata.